In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your TCL Roku TV stuck on the red screen. So if you're facing this issue, stick around. Let's get started. Alright, first thing you want to do is power cycle your TV. Here's what that means. Turn off your TV. Unplug it from the wall outlet. Then press and hold the power button on the actual TV, not the remote, for about 30 seconds. Now depending on your model, that power button might be at the back on the side or front bottom center of the TV. After that, wait around 2 to 3 minutes, then plug the TV back in and power it on again. Sometimes that alone fixes the red screen issue. If that didn't work, let's move on to the next step. Clearing your TV's cache. Grab your remote and do this sequence. Press the home button 5 times. Press the up button once. Press the rewind button twice. And press the fast forward button twice. This will clear out the cache and can fix minor software glitches that may be causing the red screen. Still no luck? Okay, next step is to factory reset your TV. Just a heads up, this will erase any custom settings or accounts on your Roku. Look for the reset button on the back or side of your TV. It's a tiny pinhole button. Turn on your TV, then press and hold the reset button for about 20 seconds. Once you release it, your TV will restart and restore itself to factory settings. You might need to use a U-pin or paperclip to press that button if it's recessed. Alright guys, if it did fix the issue, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.